Hello, everyone. Yes, it's about that time. The holidays are approaching, and I have some new recipes to share with you all. So stay tuned for our holiday recipes.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello, everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making a delicious old-fashioned pound cake, y'all. Yes, in honor of one of my viewers' mother's birthday. Miss Patty, I hope y'all have a wonderful celebration, celebrating your mother's 98th birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Patty's mother. And here are our ingredients. In this bowl, I'm adding all my wet ingredients. I'm adding 3 sticks of butter, room temperature, 3/4 cups of milk, and 6 eggs that are room temperature. We're going to mix this together starting out on a slow speed. And now we're slightly speeding up our mixer, maybe on a medium speed. We're going to continue to mix this until all our ingredients are well incorporated. Here I am pouring in our 3 cups of flour, and I'm going to sift this into our bowl, letting y'all know instead of using the all-purpose flour, you can use cake flour, and this can eliminate the sifting. Now we're adding in the rest of our dry ingredients. We're adding in our 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and our 2.5 cups of sugar. You may add a pinch of salt, but I'm not since I'm using salted butter. Here we are using a whisk to mix in all our dry ingredients. Make sure you mix in these ingredients well. Here we are adding 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Letting you know you can add lemon extract if you prefer and make this a lemon pound cake, or you can add whatever flavors that you prefer. Now it's time to add in our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. We're adding a little bit at a time until it's all gone. Now I'm setting my speed at a medium high speed, and we're going to mix this for 20 minutes. Yes, I said 20 minutes. And I was very surprised myself. I said, I'm usually telling you don't over mix your batter, but this recipe requires for us to mix our batter for 20 minutes, and I did just that. Okay, we're going to continue to let our batter mix for that 20 minutes, and then we're going to be right back. Okay, we have mixed our batter for 20 minutes. Now we're going to spray down our tube pan with some baking spray. I like this tube pan because it is non-stick, but I always make sure I spray it down well to make sure that our cake doesn't stick. Here we are removing our attachment and using a spatula to make sure that everything is well mixed and cleaning the sides and making sure everything even down at the bottom is mixed well. This is what I always do. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to pour our batter into our tube pan. Here we are pouring our batter in a circular motion into our tube pan. Y'all, this is a lot of batter. I should have used my bigger tube pan because this is a lot of batter. But I made it work. But I'm thinking you should use a 12 cup tube pan for this, or you can just use what you can and then make cupcakes with the rest of the batter. Like I said, I made this work, but you definitely need a 12 cup tube pan for this recipe. The recipe calls for us to put this in a 325-degree oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. And I did just that. And then we're going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I just removed this from the oven, and y'all, you see how big of a cake this makes? It's a huge pound cake, and yes, it turned out great. And like I said, you can use a bigger tube pan for this recipe. Okay, we're going to let this cool in the pan for 10 minutes, and then we're going to remove it and place it on a plate. Okay, y'all. Okay, our 10 minutes is up. Now we're going to put our cake on a plate. We're going to turn it over. Be very careful because the tube pan can be still hot. And so we're placing it on a plate for serving. Okay. Just letting y'all see how it turned out, and it turned out great. It didn't stick, and this is what we want, and this is what we're looking for. Okay, we're gonna let this cool. You can eat it now if you prefer, but I usually let it cool for maybe 20 to 30 minutes before serving. Okay, y'all, we're gonna let this cool off a little bit, and we're gonna be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. I'm going to show y'all just a little bit of how I cut this cake. I'm using this cake for a fundraiser, so I'm not going to cut a really big piece of it, a slice of it, because this is to take to a fundraiser. So I'm going to replace that cake back. We're going to slice this cake up and place it on some fried fish plates that we are selling as a fundraiser that goes along with some potato salad and some baked beans, y'all. I just want to share that with y'all just in case you want to do a fundraiser yourself. I just wanted to share this cake with you. You all, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. Okay, letting y'all know another thing that is y'all can also add icing on this cake if you prefer. I will leave a recipe with a lemon glaze or a vanilla glaze for you all. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this delicious old-fashioned pound cake. Like I say, push that notification bell because more holiday recipes are coming up. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!